So we recently released Portals, and it is meant to be an alternative to Etsy for people starting up 3D printing businesses. And in this video, I want to go through why it's so much better and why we actually built it. So with Portals, what you're able to do is you can just upload a model and then anyone in the world can purchase the prints from you. And the way it works is whenever somebody makes that purchase, Slant 3D will print the item, pack it up, and ship it straight to your customer for you. It comes in an awesome little white box with a little blue paper on the inside. It looks beautiful. But why is this so helpful? Well, number one, you don't have to build a print farm. Print farms are actually more effort than many people realize, and when you start up an Etsy business, sometimes success is actually the worst thing that can happen to you, because you start up the Etsy store, it goes really well, and now you're having to operate a whole bunch of 3D printers to keep up with orders. And if you don't keep up with orders, you get bad reviews, and then your business dies, and then the hobby can't even be done. So you're caught on this treadmill of having to keep machines operational. You also have to know what the latest machines are, what the latest material is, call your suppliers, all the things of running a manufacturing business. But with Portals, you get access to Slant 3D print farms. Our biggest print farm is spec'd for 3,000 machines, and we are building more. So now you have access to the latest, greatest machines and people who are paid to operate them, and you don't have to operate them at all. So it saves you the print farm, number one. Number two, saves you a whole bunch of extra effort around customer support. On Etsy, you are required to answer support messages within 24 hours in order to keep a star seller status on Etsy. That means that you are working for free on the weekends, even if you're on vacation, and your only option is to put your store on vacation if you don't want to do that for a while. And even if the customer is angry, you have to continue to be nice, otherwise they'll give you a 1-star review. All these problems, that all goes away with Portals. Slant 3D handles support on Portals because people are ordering from Portals. You as the designer are creating the store and the items and the story and the amazing thing, but all the support and the job of getting the item to the customer is our fault. So we take care of the customers. We answer return questions. We process returns. We answer the emails on the weekend with our team. We do what has to be done in order to take care of people so that you can focus on design and you're not having to work for free for a platform in order to keep your store in good standing. It is just your job to create awesome designs that people love. Number three, Portals is free and Etsy is not. Etsy, you have a startup fee, and then you have individual product listing fees, and then you have to pay for ads, and then sometimes they will pull advertising fees straight from your costs based on how much you're selling or where it's being sold. So Etsy just kind of nickels and dimes you all over the place, and Portals is free. What happens when you upload to a portal? You will instantly be shown the price to produce that part. You can then set your price to whatever you want to sell it for. So if it costs $5 to make the part, you can say, I want to sell it for $10. That means you will make $5 every time that part is sold. So Portals is a fantastic way to just get started without having to know about all the different fees and shipping and all the rest of it. So it's super handy. Number four, you don't have to deal with shipping. Etsy has labels built in, so you can just print a label and ship out the item. But you don't know if those labels are affordable. You don't know what those labels are going to cost ahead of time, any of that. All of that is gone inside of Portals. Inside Portals, shipping is a flat rate. It is $5 or $10. And over time, we are working to drive that down to free or make some adjustments to it. But it is a flat rate, so you know what your customer will be paying for shipping, but you also don't have to deal with it. That is the job of Slant 3D and the customer. You don't have to print the labels. You don't have to deal with international strikes or difference in tariffs or all this other stuff. That is all our job. So you don't have to worry about how to get the part to the customer. That is our job to make it get to the customer. Ultimately, all of this is to just take stuff off the plate of the designer. If you are designing 3D models that you want people outside of 3D printing to get a hold of, you shouldn't have to build a whole big e-commerce setup and print farm and no shipping and all the rest of this. You should just be focusing on designing awesome products. And Portals allows you to do that. To instead of having to spend hours setting up all this infrastructure, you can just upload a model and it is instantly for sale. And when a portal is uploaded, you get a link or an embed code or whatever else you want to do, and you can add it to your link tree on your Instagram or anywhere else so that somebody can buy it from you and they will get it in a few days. And you don't have to run a print farm. You don't have to know about shipping. You don't have to deal with any external fees that are not part of making the part. And you are able to focus on your work rather than focusing on all the stuff that makes your work even more valuable. You are able to use a bunch of infrastructure that's in place to make your store and your products better and to make your audience happier. Have a great day, everybody.